how to make apps run on startup in Windows 11 and 2025. So first of all, you need to go to your Windows search bar, and let's say the Discord app you want to start it on startup on of Windows. You just have to right click on the app and click on weapon file location, and then you can find the Discord shortcut, and you can just have to right click on it and click on the properties from here, and on the target section you just have to copy everything from here, and you just have to open a new text document, and you just have to simply paste it and let the text document be aside, and then you just have to come to the Windows search bar again and write down run and click on run from here, and then you just have to type in shell, then colon, then startup, and just click on OK from here, and you just have to copy the whole thing. You just copy it and just paste it here and create a new folder and just paste it here. So you have to just right click on it, and here you can have to click on the shortcuts from here, and you just have to paste from the notepad and click on next and click on finish. And as you can see, this is already added, and when you restart your PC, you can see the Discord app will automatically start on the Windows startup. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.